Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Market News and Views brought to you by Ray Financial. Today is Monday, November 12th, 2012. Guys, let's straight get into the chart. In front of us, we have the chart of Nifty, and what I want to show you is where we are headed in the next coming week. Please find support at this particular area, which is the gap fill. Right now, we have already broken the gap window. 5643 is the first area of support on Nifty. Yes, the market is in a downward direction in the coming next 2 to 3 trading sessions. Tomorrow and day after is a holiday, keep that in mind. Also, what I want to show you is the intraday chart of Nifty, and what we are looking to watch out here is whether the levels of a breakout towards the downside is confirmed or not, and I can show that to you. This is the gap window that was created, and we have closed below it. Not only did we break, we had another candle which is a green. It was not yet a confirmation, but the next candle did give us a confirmation. We will see maximum support at this area which I just gave it out to you, which is 5643 area. Guys, keep that on the watch. Nifty could slide down in the next coming two trading sessions in that area. Greece has passed its new austerity measures, but I just feel that all the good news has already been baked in the market, and we could see some downside. Few stocks that I would like to share with you. Let me bring up L&T. I just gave out L&T right now. L&T on the downside also could be a break. I'll just give you the level of confirmation. It's almost there. It's not a big task. So this is the chart of L&T, and this particular area is the gap. It's not the gap, but what we are looking for is for it to break this area of support. If L&T breaks this, keep in mind we have one target which is here. That's a gap window, and then we have a gap fill. So the gap fill is 1550, and if that still breaks further down, expect another support area at 1510. I would just keep the first target at this particular level, which is the 1550, and the second one at 1510. Keep in mind it needs to break this area. It needs to break this area. It needs to close below, and it needs to just come below this. That's when you could go short. That this particular line is the 1595, so we need to break below that. If the markets do get weak in the coming 2 to 3 trading sessions, expect L&T to also come down. If not, we could expect a bounce from here and could again start moving to the upside, but I don't see that likely happening. Another chart that I want you guys to have a look at is RCOM. RCOM, I just gave it out as an intraday play to my members, and we already won $1 in profit, 1 rupee in profit. What's happened is it's simple. We made a good move to the upside, then consolidation, again move to the upside, and then consolidation. I think this is a downtrend pattern. If by any chance RCOM still shows any kind of weakness, expect the first area of support to be out here. I can mark the price level for you too. That's going to be the 53.29. But more importantly, what I see on the daily, on the intraday chart, is this particular area. Let me just expand it. So if we see very clearly, we have broken this area of support and the stock is getting hammered. Your target could be this 53.90. 53.90 on the RCOM. You can still go short. I don't see much strength in this stock as of now. You could see probably a good bounce off at this 53.90 area. You could scalp trade or you could just go short right now. I gave this recommendation, I guess, about like what 2 hours back. I can show that to you. Let me just pull up the chart out here. There we go, RCOM. One second, sorry for the delay. There. So this is what I just gave out. I guess the time was around, it was, yeah, I gave it about 2 hours back, and this is what we said, and this is what I gave out to my members, that if this particular line breaks out, that is the gap window, this is support. This was support at that point. Price was 56.10. If we break this, expect the target to be at 53.90. Another stock that I want to share with you is Reliance. This stock has got major support at 3 areas. Let's pull up Reliance live chart for you guys. Just give me a second. The market's actually holding up pretty well, but since tomorrow is holiday and so is day after, expect light volumes, not much movement. Let's zoom in the chart of Reliance. So these are my 3 crucial areas of support for Reliance. Just keep in mind, if for any reason we see any weakness in the market, okay, let me just draw that with the yellow one. So this is the first area, that's 778. If that breaks, expect the stock to come down at 768. Notice at 768 we might hit the 200-day moving average, and then if still more weakness, 760 is my last and final support area. If that breaks, the stock could come down to 737, 740, I guess even 725. So just keep a watch on Reliance. I don't see much strength in this. There's some negative news coming out from Kejriwal, and their KG D6 gas plant has been exposed, under a scam, I believe. But just keep your watch on this. Reliance. Also, we have the Dow. Now, a lot of people wondering where's the US market heading. I mean, the elections are already over, but where are we going now? So I see good strong support on the Dow in this particular area. Let me just change the color. Let's go with the green. So the first area of support is this. Now if you see, we are already out there. Dow is already here. This is the candle. If we move to the upside, we could reach the 13,000 area on the Dow. If not, if we break this area, then yes, we are going to come further down to 12,500 and 12,630, between that area. So this is my analysis on the Dow, the US markets. Okay, if the Dow falls down, if this particular market comes down, how is it going to affect us? I will show you what strategy you could play. If the Dow comes down, expect the US dollar to go up. You can expect this to go up further and into this area, which is the 81,750 and 82 area. Between this, if the US dollar keeps going up and in the upward direction, the guys who are trading currency, you can do a strategy out here. You will have to long the USD INR, because if the dollar is going to strengthen, the INR is going to weaken and the rates are going to go up. So let me pull up the chart of USD INR for you. Okay, so we have the chart of USD INR, and you can very well see that over the few days, okay, the Dow market the Dow market has been falling, and when the Dow market has fallen, the US dollar started to go up. Okay, the USD index started to go up, and when the US dollar starts to appreciate, the rupee gets weakened, and now we are back into these levels. If we see more upside in the US dollar, expect this currency pair to go more higher. I would say we could again start seeing 56. Between 55.25 to 56, between these areas, you could do a long position for. I believe that if we once reach this particular area, I would take a short from here, depending on how the US dollar behaves, and if the Dow starts to pick up, if the Dow starts to go in an uptrend, this will definitely come down. Well guys, that's it about now. I also had another chart in mind. Let me just show that to you. Let me close this, and this is Reliance. I had given ONGC as a short. This stock broke out from a very strong area of support, and that support area was this. Once it broke, it moved sideways, and then once ONGC announced its results, the stock did not take it very positively. The results were pretty bad, and this is now a good area of support. The 252 to 255. If 252 breaks, expect it to come down to 245. If 245 breaks, I guess 240 would be a good support area. But I would be very strong on 245. I don't think the stock would go below that, and if it does, then you guys know where's the next support, 238 or 240. Keep these in mind. You can play it short. If you don't like to play short and you would just want to go long on the stock, then wait for it to come down to these levels. Don't enter now, cause then you will land up averaging your cost, and it's just not going to be a profitable trade. Well guys, that's it for now. Tomorrow is the day off, and so is Wednesday, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. May you be blessed with good trades, and you make a lot of money in the stock markets. My information is on the screen. If you have any questions regarding this video, or would like to join our membership and be a part of this trading group, just simply email me at info@rayfinancial.co.in. You can log on at Facebook. You can like our page. You are already on YouTube. We have a website, which is www.rayfinancial.co.in. Well guys, wish you a great holiday, and see you on the markets on Thursday. Alright, take care, bye.